Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangelionite, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing guys. I ordered this for these glasses. Actually, hindi ito sa akin. Sa labas kasi yung sa akin. Pero, we will try with this one. Alright, so let's open it in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Okay guys, open na natin. And inside, oh, may sticker. We have a sticker here. And we have this. So this is from Peculiar Eyewear. And it's some glass wipes with anti-nano, anti-fog agent. Ayan. So, ganito siya, guys. Open natin. So, inside the package, meron siyang individual na glass wipes. Okay. So, isa lang naman gagamitin natin. So, instruction, prepare your glasses, open the package, unfold the wiper, wipe the lens front and back, allow to air dry, do not wipe with a dry cloth immediately, enjoy fog-free vision. Alright, so kasi yung ginaano namin palagi is kapag naka-glasses kami na sasakyan, syempre naka-aircon kami and bigla kaming lalabas ng sasakyan and sa labas, it's so hot. So, nag-change ng temperature and nagpa-fog tapos yung mga salamin namin. So, I ordered this and tignan nyo natin kung fog ba talaga. So, test muna guys. Ayan, nakikita yun, nagpa-fog naman. Ayan, nagpa-fog siya guys. Okay, isa pa. Okay, diba? So, ganun. And now, try natin yung wipes. Sa isa lang muna, guys. Okay? So, unfold natin to. And, ayan. I-wipe lang natin. Yung nililisan lang natin. So, front. And, of course, sa back din. So, yan na guys ha. Nalagyan na natin etong side. So, allow it to dry guys. And eto yung walang linagyan na wipes. Okay? So, allow it to dry. Dry na nga siya guys. So, let's see. This one first. Oh, kita nyo guys. And this one. Di ba? Wala. This side. Oh, kita nyo guys. And this one. Oh, di ba? Kahit anong ano ko guys, hindi siya nagpa-fog. Di ba guys? Oh, di ba? Agad. This one. Oh, wala! Magic! So, yun guys. So, kung interested po kayo na bumili ng anti-fog wipes, ito po ang ma-recommend ko sa inyo. Peculiar Eyewear. Bili na, just DM me on my Facebook page, Lia B. Lia B 2.0 or Lia B 3.0 so I can give you the link. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.